cheering section here, and so he should be. This is his hometown shoot. Tristan, this big, lanky horse he rides, have been packing him to the pay window all season long in the Mounted Shootings events. Gary gets the green light, and he says, I'm about to take my turn. Oh, yeah. This is your hometown hero, Regina. Let's get this thing done. Let's get a fast time for Gary Charnock. The right ones are good. Lay down, come back. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. He got a long ways away, but he reached back all he could. 12.449 puts him in the lead right now. 12.449 for Gary Charnock.